Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Grand Cherokee spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a specialized spark plug socket. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before beginning any electrical work. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get to removing those old spark plugs. Begin by carefully taking off the engine cover, usually held by a few bolts or clips. Next, disconnect and remove each ignition coil, often secured by a single bolt. With the coils out, use your spark plug socket and an extension to reach each plug. Turn counterclockwise to loosen, then gently pull them out. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any unusual wear patterns. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. First, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head over time. Carefully hand-thread each new plug into its port to avoid any cross-threading. Once snug, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's exact specifications, ensuring a proper seal and optimal performance. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place, and reconnect all electrical connectors. Once everything is secure, reattach the engine cover. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Jeep to confirm everything is running smoothly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.